Me no know what I'm to my Jamaican youth. Me no know what I'm to them Jamaican youth here, you know. Me no know if a bad or no bad, or a sick or no sick, mad or no mad, or a sad or no life, just sad. You know, last year, me said this, you know. A whole heap of a youth I go get unalive. Especially you TikTokers who love come on live and tell man about for SYM. And you know when me make the post there, a bag of man come under my post and I say SYM. Me not even answer them. You understand me? I say, because words mean nothing to me. You understand me? I say, but guess what? I know everybody pre-life like me. You understand me? I say, some people don't even know how to hang the disrespect. And when you tell a man SYM, a lot of people take it as a big disrespect. You understand me? I say. So me make my post last year and me say, a whole heap of who love tell people for SYM, who not gonna drop out, people are gonna analyze this year. The amount of SYM me get, me no respond to none of them. I laugh. Now this morning as me turn on my phone and jump on the live, I want this me I see. Another TikToker get unalive while streaming. You understand me? I say unalive. The man get unalive. Me hear the whole of the bang them in the background. Me a want you know. Now you tell me this. After I reach Naah and other TikTokers, I learn and not learn, or I learn and I can't learn. Which one of them? Because I say, this time people are gonna really depart them veranda a stream, them out a door a stream. You understand me? I say, and nobody no disrespect like Uno. I want to feel like. Uno feel like everybody who go tell for SYM, and everybody who go style, and them go take it lightly. Eh? And that me want to know, brother, Uno need to understand yourself. Uno call TikTok on the workplace. If on the workplace, Uno lock up in the room and stream, brother. Lock up in the house and stream and make sure the place grill up too. Because they coming. They coming for y'all. You understand me I say? They coming for y'all and that me I make you know. Because if you the ways of making content is to jump online and bring down people each and every day. Well, me sorry for Uno life I go cut short, brother. And that me I make you know Uno life I go cut short. You understand me I say? Because somehow Uno life so miserable. That's when they part live at these people. And then when I come out the door, come stream like when I some jackass. Eh? Me I want to know, you know. Me I want to know again, you know. Many more will have to suffer. Many more will have to die. You understand me I say? If you don't stop disrespect people and call it on a job. And that me I make you know. So you can't stay there. You can't stay there feel like, say, you feel like a joke thing this. You feel like a joke thing. And one thing me know for sure, you know. Enough man I get analyzed in Jamaica just because of the mouth. The mouth. Enough man I get analyzed in the world because of the mouth. You understand me? I say, my granny always tell me, say, if you don't have nothing good to say, you better keep your mouth shut and don't say nothing. You understand me? I say, someone if you understand on yourself, youth, understand on yourself. If you don't depart line now and disrespect people, you don't make sure you don't stop, stream and throw on the background. You understand me? I say, because people are the fool and Jamaica is so small. You don't feel like you can't hide, brother. You can't hide. If you don't have nothing good to say, brother, you zip on the mouth or turn off on the phone. And that me I say, how much more will get unalive because of the mouth? This is a question you want to ask. Big up on yourself and have a good day.